to the great wide open. Wanna set my spirit free. Won't stop till I reach the ocean. Gonna break these chains holding me.
Well.
Guess who's back again?
Nick is back. So, hello everybody, my name is Nick's Aviation. If you forgot, because I've been gone for so long, I'm so sorry. There was a family issue that I really needed to take care of. I won't be, going through that, indulging on that. But today, I have a package that was addressed to me from this place in Silver Dart Drive, specifically 211-6500 Silver Dart Drive. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm 99% sure it's from a model shop. So I have a knife here, and let's go ahead and we will see what this is. And before I actually go ahead and unbox whatever it is, please, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to drop a like. By the way, yes, class of 2020, I'm now in high school. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, drop a like and also subscribe to my channel, because YouTube is the editing process of this video, and I actually realized something that was pretty big. So what I was about to say right there is that 58% of you guys aren't subscribed, but that is completely incorrect. Actually, 72% of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed to my channel. So please, I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. That would really help me out, and tell me that you guys want to see some more awesome aviation related content just like this. Sorry about this, and just, back to the video. My camera, we're here in the spare bedroom, so let's go ahead and we will take the knife and go shink and shank. Shink and shank. There we go. I don't know exactly how we're gonna do this, how it opens.
20 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, yes, it's what I think it is. Ah, come on, open the box. Woo! Okay, everybody, so this was the third and last Alitalia birthday gift that was gotten for me. This actually came in from Hong Kong, and this was actually shipped early, which is insane. This was actually scheduled to come here on July 2nd, and it's currently, I think, June 18th, alright. So, June 18th, and this came really early. So, this is an Alitalia 747-200 in the Baci livery. If you don't know what the Baci livery is, it's basically like Italy's Hershey's Kisses, So, I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the bubble wrap. This is, I don't even know what company actually made this, but 400 Your Craftsman. Who's that? But, okay. This is quite a large box, I didn't realize, so we have this. I'm just gonna, yeah, I just tossed it. And let's go ahead and we will start the unboxing. So first, let's examine the box. Here you have some art of what the aircraft looks like. This isn't the regulation Alitalia livery, which I'll probably have a screen like there or something. But Alitalia is usually green, and you can see it says Baci dall'Italia, Baci da Alitalia, which means kisses from Italy. That's cool. I like that. Kisses from Italy, kisses from Alitalia. But let's go ahead and you have the 747 logo right there. You have the Alitalia logo, which is black instead of the usual green and red. On the sides you have this, which more clip art of the, or I wouldn't say clip art actually, that's a real photo of the aircraft. And you have more Alitalia and more Boeing. Then you have the Craftsman logo everywhere. More of the Alitalia stuff. And I like this box. It's unique, and it's a different company I've ordered from. Actually ordered this off eBay. But without further ado, let's go ahead and, oh yeah, okay. There it is. Ooh, Alitalia limited edition of, wow, okay, so there are actually only 420 of these in the world, of these specific models, so it's quite rare. This is a limited edition model. So I have it out on the bed, if you can see. right here, and it's in a nice plastic. There's the nice blue livery of the Baci d'Alitalia and Baci d'Alitalia. Okay. Then, okay, wow, this is a very nice model. Let's hope it didn't come broken. And now let's go ahead and we will lift this plastic firm right here. Let me just get around here. Want to be kind of careful. Okay. First layer of plastic is finally off the aircraft. You have a nice protective plastic layer that is now off the aircraft. And now let's go ahead and we will take it out. Ooh, okay. So, there we go. Now, check this out. Check this baby out. That is a beautiful aircraft right here. If you can see, I love the livery on the Baci aircraft. And as you know, this is a 747-200. And it even says Baci on the wings, as you can see. And then I believe it says Alitalia on the wing right there. So I'm actually going to go into detail on this. Oh, my bad. That luckily that didn't hit the aircraft. But I'm gonna go ahead and go into detail. No, computer, if you dare play that. No, okay. I was watching Modern Family and I don't want that to play right now. Looks like it's actually back heavy. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there, and we'll go into detail on it right here in just 1 second when I get. You know what? I'm just gonna use the knife. So, okay, you have the L1 door. You have the nice windows that stretch into the nose. You have this little emergency exit on the hump. You have the small hump with a lot of windows. While you move back, you have the L2 door. You have the beautiful engines right here. I don't know what they are, but they do look quite thick. Obviously not as thick as something like the 777X. Alright. And then let's go back. You have an antenna right up here, if you don't know. You have another communications thing up here. You have the emergency door over the wing. You have this large piece kind of right here, which if you can't see, that's on all pre-747 models. It's this little thing here. You also have that on the top of the tail of the 707. And oh my gosh, I just realized this is a 747-200 Combi. Because when you go and you see there's no cargo door here, but when I actually flip the aircraft, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there in that Baci livery, right above its registration, which reads India Delta Echo Michael Foxtrot, or Marco Foxtrot. So India Delta Echo Marco Foxtrot, which is the registration, but you actually have a cargo door right above it, right there. Yeah, it's a cargo door. So it's actually a 747-200 Combi, which is even cooler because I actually wanted a 747 Combi aircraft. You have the stars right there. You have the big Alitalia tail and the French, or not French, oh my gosh, Italian flag up here. Now, when you go to the bottom of the aircraft, you have the beautiful landing gear, which is all static. You have these two, which is static. They do not tilt. But you have these, which actually tilt, which is actually kind of funny. I actually found that funny because you would usually have the outer gear tilt instead of the inner gear. You have a blank bottom except for the one registration marking that reads India Delta Echo Marco Foxtrot. You have these, you have flap markings and slat markings as well on the front here. And when you go over the wings, you have the nice Baci and then the registration over here. And you have the Alitalia thing here. And I actually really like this aircraft. It's a nice model, but let's go ahead and we will do some size comparisons of the model when I'm back with another aircraft. We are back here and we have a nice size comparison today. So we're going to compare the sizes of practically all the generations of 747 aircraft because I actually have 4 747 aircraft, which do not include the 747-300 or the 747-100, but I have the smallest variant of the 747, which is the 747 SP right here. This is the 747 SP, as you can see here, in the Iraqi Airways livery. And then we'll go ahead and compare that to the Alitalia 747-200 Combi. As you can see, there is actually quite a difference in terms of size in the aircraft. I'm sorry, just gonna try to get a nice overview shot. Yeah, see? It's quite interesting in my opinion. Yeah, I know, I'm sideways. Here I am again. But yeah, that's the two right there. So then, I'm using the cardboard box to kind of prop up my phone. So we are now up and we are leaving the other room to go into the bathroom, actually. And here, as you can see, I'm right here. I have my phone and stuff, my microphone here for quality. And you can see that I have the 747 SP, 747-200, 747-400, and 747-8 Intercontinental, or, well, I guess the freighter version of it. But yeah, you can tell now that the 747 SP is, for example, a lot smaller than the 747-8, and I'll just line them up better in terms of length. And you can just see me doing that. I'm just gonna move this speaker because we don't need that in the way. And then we'll have the 747-8. Okay. I don't know. We'll have him fit somewhere else. But you can see that that's small, and then that, you could just see the size comparison between the two. And then obviously you have the largest variant, which is the 747-8. Well, that will conclude today's video. And you know what? I think it was a fun video. I really enjoyed making it, and I'm so sorry that I haven't been uploading, and I will do my best to upload on a road trip that me and my dad are doing. We're going to be going cross country, and maybe when we go to certain cities, I will share some aviation facts about either the airport or aircraft, or I'll just try to do my regular, video schedule and stuff. I love how there are two me's. There's the one here, and then there's the one there, here and there. It's meception. I'm kidding, but actually, if I look closer, I think, yeah, like, it just goes back and forth. That's just really funny. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome aviation related content just like this. Thank you very much, everybody, and have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for more awesome aviation content that I will be doing. I will do my best. I'm so sorry once again for everything, and have a wonderful day, everybody, and I really appreciate you guys watching this. Comment down below what aircraft, comment what Canadian airport you want me to do some, facts on, Comment that, yeah. Thank you very much, everybody, and that's it.
Get a strong mind and have some fun. For a little while I'll be a castaway, gonna let the sun shine in.